Assalamu alaikum, my people and my para. I'm standing to be candidate to Tower Hamlets mayor in my para. If you voted for me, you will have a free Wi-Fi from my para. You will have double parking in my para. Just vote for me. You will have 4 wives free from my people in my para. And if you vote for me, you have a free shisha every day in my bara, and you will have a free bread house in my bara. Just make sure vote for me. I can make it my bara very good. Crime stop 0% in my bara, and you will have free 50% off for wedding for young guys for only my people in my bara. And you will have a free Rolls Royce car, everyone in my bara. I can make it. I can make it, my people in my bara. Wait for me.
For give me to be an opportunity, our candidate in London Borough of Tower Hamlet. Please vote for me tomorrow. If you are voting me, I will be grateful. If you voting me, I will give you for the lot of commitments. If I am elected, I can do it. My bara, 5,500 new house built. If I am elected, I can do it. My bara, no housing cut. If I am elected, my bara, I can do it. Free lift facility convert. Most of old building, there are no lift. People suffering, old people suffering. I can do it. Lift convert. If I am elected, I can do it. My bara, free Wi-Fi zone. If I am elected, I can do it. My bara, university student, 1,600 for lunch money, 500 for travel cost yearly. And if I am elected, I can do it. My bara, all the pensioner, I will pay £50 extra expense. If I am elected, I can do it. My bara, two parking permit issue. If I am elected, I can my bara presently 3 hours to extend another 2 hours, including 5 hours parking limit. If I am elected, I can do it. My bara nicely cleaning and tidy. If I am elected, I can do it. My bara working people, council tax reduce. If I am elected, social care, disabled people especially, I can look after. If I am elected, I can do it. My bara crime 0% stop. If I am elected, if you are voting me, if I am grateful, if you are voting me, I will be grateful. If I am elected, I will do it. All the commitment, I will make sure I.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম প্রিয় ভাই ও বন্ধুরা আওয়ার টাওয়ার হামলেস বারা মেয়ের ইলেকশনে যেসা হয়ে যায় খারা বাংলা টকিং পারে না পুরা আর ইংলিশ মাতে তুরা তুরা আই কান্ট ডু ইট মাই বারা কথা মাতে এডুকেশন সারা দিস ইজ আওয়ার বারা
of God more good if I would make drug dealing legal in my bara. বারাইস্তনে করলাম তো আর হইতাম না ইলেকশনও খারা আমাদের লইয়া মাইসে খালি খাউরি খাই এখন দেখি আসমানও খালি তারা